Hola y bienvenidos al video Los artículos y el orden de las palabras. Articles in word order. Vamos a empezar con los artículos definidos or definite articles. What are the definite articles? ¿Qué son los artículos definidos? Well, in English, there is only one definite article. We use it all the time. It is the word the. T-H-E, as simple as it gets. But in Spanish, there are actually four definite articles. El without an accent, la, los, and las. Well, you may have figured it out already, but there's four definite articles because the definite articles in Spanish match the nouns in both gender, which we've already talked about, and number, which just means singular and plural. So, if you look at the chart here, we know that el goes with chico. El is our singular masculine article, so it always goes with singular masculine nouns. La goes with singular feminine nouns, so it's la chica. Los goes with plural masculine nouns, los chicos. And las goes with plural feminine nouns, las chicas. Now, for the most part, all you have to do is match the end. Chica ends with an A, la ends with an A. Chicos ends with an OS, los ends with an OS. Chicas ends with an AS, las ends with an AS. The only exception to that rule is chico, which goes with L, and that doesn't match up at all, so you just have to remember it. But we've used it a lot, so it's probably not too difficult. Let's try it. What do you think matches with vecina, or neighbor? If you picked B, la, you are absolutely correct. La vecina. How about zapatos? That means shoes. If you picked los, you are absolutely correct. Los with an OS matches with zapatos with an OS. How about sombrero, which means hat? If you picked L, you are absolutely correct. Sombrero is masculine and singular, so it matches with L. Ahora vamos a discutir los artículos indefinidos, indefinite articles. What? Indefinite articles? Didn't we just get through the definite ones? What do you mean indefinite ones? Well, you actually know the indefinite articles in English already. They're a and an, like a chair or an article. In Spanish, again, there are four indefinite articles. Un, una, unos, and unas. Un and una usually are a and an, translated in English as a or an. We don't have plural ones. We still say a or an. So our best translation for unos and unas is some. Let's see them. All right, so if we use chico and chica again, singular masculine is going to be un chico. Feminine singular is going to be una chica. Again, those A's match. So this would be a boy or a girl. If I have plural nouns, it's going to be plural. So unos goes with chicos, masculine, plural. Unas goes with chicas, feminine, plural. This would translate best to some boys, and this best translation is some girls. Again, if you look at the endings, they match. The only one that doesn't is un. That singular masculine tends to be a little difficult. All right, so let's try it. What would you match with vestido, which means dress? If you said un, you are absolutely correct. Vestido is masculine singular, so it goes with un. How about hombres, which means men? If you said unos, you are absolutely correct, even though I tried to trick you. Hombres means men, so it's masculine, and it's more than one, so it's plural, so it'd be unos hombres. How about faldas, which means skirts? If you said unas, you're absolutely correct. The AS in unas matches the AS in faldas. How about camiseta, which means t-shirt? If you said una, you're 100% right. Una camiseta. The A matches with the A. Muy bien. All right, now we're going to talk about word order and placement of adjectives. Because now that we know our definite and indefinite articles, we need to know what order they go in. In Spanish, you actually have two options. The first is our after ser. This option works just like English. Yo soy artística. I am artistic. So I just put the adjective after ser. Ramón es trabajador. Ramon is hardworking. I put the adjective after ser. The second option is a little more complicated, and it's not quite like English, and it involves those definite and indefinite articles. Option 2 is to put your adjective after the noun. It's the opposite of English. Yo soy una chica artística. I am a artistic girl. In Spanish, we have our noun go first. That's because in Spanish they believe that they should talk about what's being described before they talk about the description. In English, we give the description and then we tell what it's describing. We're kind of backwards in that way. If I look at my second sentence, Ramón es un chico trabajador. Ramón is a hardworking boy. But again, I put my noun first, chico, and I put my adjective second, trabajador. In essence, the word order becomes the subject, the yo, the tu, the el, the ella, the usted. Then the verb, es, son, somos. Then my indefinite or definite article, probably an indefinite article, un, uno, un, una, unos, or unas. Then my noun, and then, finally, my adjective. If you keep this in mind, you'll always get it right. Noun, then adjective. Or more specifically, article, noun, adjective. If you remember that, you will never write a Spanish sentence incorrectly. Well, that's all for today. Tienen un buen noche. Adios.